Hey there, good evening. My name is Ajay and I am from Ahex Technologies Private Limited. Today I am demonstrating the workflow of our plugin of our add-on which we have developed and uploaded on the Odoo App Store under the Ahex Technologies with the name of SO Procurement Planner in long sales order procurement planner. So what exactly this module does, why we need it. So let's discuss about that as well. So this module is designed to provide the instant visibility into our stock shortages and bill of materials requirement. And then it allows the inventory person to quickly generate an RFQ and directly send it to the procurement team. From there the procurement team can validate it, re-verify it and can just place the purchase orders. Now we'll go step by step through it, how it works from identifying what needed for the sales or production to get those crucial RFQs out. So let's start with it. Now, before starting, one more thing I just wanted to discuss. So, why exactly we need this SO procurement planner when we have a plenty of things inside Odoo? So, let's discuss about that as well. So, there are many businesses, there are many industries where the process of starting from sales to procurement happens in different way. Some of them based upon the sales order they confirms the manufacturing order, then check for the raw material. In some of the industries, as soon as they are receiving the sales order, first they need to check the raw material, then only they'll procure it and then start the manufacturing. So because of these situations we have developed this plugin to tackle multiple situations or of specific situations from that particular domain, right? So let's have a look. So let's say the sales or team has confirmed an order. They have received the order from the customer, they have confirmed the sales order. Now next is the inventory team. So the inventory team has to check the stocks and they need to manually go. They have to check thoroughly one by one, which is causing delays into the process, right? After that they must then inform the purchase team to purchase some things, which again takes a lot of time to manually inform the purchase team. Meanwhile, the customer is waiting, the production team is also waiting. So, because of these things, there are high chances that the order can get cancelled, can get delays, a lot of things can happen. So, because of all these things there are a lot of causes, there are a lot of issues which are like delays in the fulfilling of the order. Then the sales opportunities are also missed if we are not able to tackle the things clearly, right? Loss of time, loss of revenues and xyz thing. Now how this plugin help in that particularly situation. So this plugin solves the problem by alerting the inventory team immediately when the stock is shortage for a confirmed sales order. Then it is calculating how much material is needed based upon what is in stock, what is required, what is available, right? Then allowing the inventory team to quickly create an RFQ for the procurement team direct right from the inventory itself, which is helping in saving times and reducing the mistakes. So this is bit about the plugin. Now let's jump into the process and we'll see. So let's go to the sales. So I have already installed the plugin, right? I have downloaded it from my Play Store and I uploaded it in my add-ons. Now I'll go to my sales order. I'll go to new. I'll select the customer. Okay. I will select the product. Now let's say quantity. I have received an order for 5,000 quantities and let's confirm it. Now I have received a sales order for FG product which is having a raw material and I have created a sales order. Right. Now the sales team has done its part. Now it's time for an inventory team to check the raw material for these 500 quantities in inventory. Now if they'll do manually it will take whole lot of time. They have to go to the reporting, they have to go to the stock. If the bomb items, the bomb is a let's say it is having hundreds of items, then it is very much hectic. So in order to tackle that, go to the operations, go to the SO procurement. They'll see the latest one which is 47. As soon as you enter it, you can see this interface, right? So here the sales order number, date, what is the status, everything is coming. Now bit coming down, this is the FG for which we have received the sales order. Ordered quantity, the client has requested for 5,000 quantities, right? Forecasted is minus 5,000 because we have to deliver these 5,000 quantities, that's why it is showing minus. If there are n number of sales order, then it will add up all those things and it will show you negative of those. On hand currently we have zero, nothing is there. Reserved is zero, to manufacture is 5,000. Now let's have a look at the raw material. So this is the raw material related to the FG product, RM1, RM2 and RM3. Now the way we have configured the bomb, the quantities are coming here. For RM1 5,000, 1 unit for 1 FG, 3 unit for 1 FG, 5 unit for 1 FG, 25,000. On hand currently we have these numbers on hand. Available among these numbers, available is these number, others are reserved. These are the quantities which we have to buy. Okay, so right now you can see vendor selection. If you want to select vendor from here itself, that is up to you. If you don't want, you want to leave it based upon the how the product has been configured, the vendor will be automatically coming. Next will be RFQs and PO ordered and received. These are the status fields. So whatever is going to happen in the purchase module, that will update these fields automatically, right? So let's say I have an option to one by one create RFQs, to select some and create RFQs and select all at a together. I have created select all at together. All things have been selected. You can unselect them all as well and click on create RFQs. As soon as I have hit, so PO9 and PO10 has been created, right? And you can just download the report as well from here. So it will show you the shortage report where exactly what is shortage, how much you have to procure, component status, finished good status, everything it will show you. So for the internal references you can use this report as well. So let's say we have created the POs, right? Now if the purchase team comes into effect, they'll see P9 and P10. See, the raw material was 3, but PO only generated for 2. Why? Because two of the raw materials we are buying from the same vendor. So you can see RM1, RM2, right? The quantities are exactly same in both, whatever we have ordered. So this saves a lot of time. Now the procurement team have to just click and confirm. So let's, now we have already confirmed it, so let's receive them as well. So as an inventory person, so this was the part of procurement team, they have done it. Now as an inventory person, I have to receive those into inventory, means I have to do the GRN. I'll select them, I'll action, I'll just validate it, and boom, we have received them in our inventory. Okay, now if I'll go to the operations, I'll go to the SO procurement planner. You can see first is sales order, order date, status, all component has been received. If I'll open it, you can see here status has been changed to all component received, right? And going to the bomb part, you can see RFQ number is here, dynamic, right? How much quantity we have ordered and how much we have received. So each and everything we have received. So look how within 5 to 10 minutes it is solving a lot of time. And if you go to the reporting stocks, you can see the complete updated quantities for each of the raw material. This is how it solves the problem, solves the bottleneck, right? But instead of this, if you go to the manual order process, so generally how it will be, you have confirm the sales order, then you have to first confirm the MOs. Once MOs are confirmed in the replenishment report, the system will check for the raw material availability. So this is a bit off for some of the industry, not for all. Now in this, with this plugin, you have the flexibility to create the work orders, to create the manufacturing orders as per the flexibility, once all the raw material is inside your inventory. That's all for this. Thank you so much for being with me.